Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert the 2D drawing into this 3D solid part. In this quick and informative tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Hole, and Fillet. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on YZ plane and create a solid part with the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. First, sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Now, assign the dimensions according to the drawing. Next, sketch the circle with a diameter of 30 millimeters. Constrain vertical, the center of the circle, to the lower edge of the line. Now, constrain the small circle tangential to the line and to the big circle. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, select the option Symmetric and set the length to 50 millimeters. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 12 millimeters to the edges. In step 2, we sketch the slot profile on top face and then we create the hole with the flange. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Now we sketch the slot profiles with a radius of 8 and 5 millimeters on the horizontal axis. The slot must be symmetrical to the vertical axis. Next, hold Ctrl button and select the endpoints and the symmetry axis, and then activate the Symmetry tool. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Now select the small slot and then activate the Pocket tool. In the dialog window, set the depth to 13 mm. Next, unhide the sketch and then select the outer slot. Extrude the sketch by 3 mm. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 2 mm to the edge. In step 3, we create the cylindrical part with the hole. First, we create a plane at Z53 mm. Unhide the planes at the origin. Now, activate the Plane tool and then select the XY plane. In the dialog window, set the position of the plane in Z direction. Select the new plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, sketch a circle with a diameter of 10 mm on the vertical axis. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option up to first. Next, we create the hole with a diameter of 5 mm. Select the upper edge of the cylinder and then activate the Hole tool. In this dialog window, first deactivate the option drill angle and then set the depth to 18 mm and the diameter to 5 mm. The step 4, we create the rib with a thickness of 10 mm. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. First, activate the View Section tool and then extract the reference edges and curves. Now, sketch a line with the angle of 135 degrees. Next, constrain the line tangential to the bigger circle. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Extrude the sketch by 10 mm and symmetrical to the middle plane. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 1 mm to the edges. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.